What's up my crypto people, how are you doing? Is SUI a good investment or not, and can it make you a millionaire in the future? But first let's jump into the markets and see what's happening. So Bitcoin at the moment trading at 96k, Ethereum around 2700, XRP at $2.66 and Solana at around 180k. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing on the hourly time frame on TradingView, and there we can see the ribbons are curving up, and we also have two green candles already, so probably coming hours Bitcoin will be going up. We can see here down here on Market Cipher we printed the green dot, so based on this red money flow also going up, Bitcoin will be going up coming hours. If we look at the daily time frame, there we can see we have printed a red dot. So either we'll be going sideways coming days, or maybe even go down a little bit further. So I think there's a little bit more pain ahead, so be prepared for that. Let's check the crypto bubbles, and there we can see the market is divided, a little bit of red, a little bit of green. And today we're gonna talk about SUI. SUI is down with 2%. We have some big gainers, like for example Hex with 10% up. But let's see what SUI can bring to the table. So if we have a look at SUI on CoinMarketCap, we can see based on the yearly time frame that we had the all-time high of around $5.30. At this moment we're around $3.20. So I would say every time if SUI dips below, let's say $2, it's a good time to buy. No financial advice, but at this moment all the market is down, so SUI is also down. If we look at it at $5.30 and $3.20, I would say it's let's say 30% down at this moment, but we know with altcoins they can rise up pretty quickly. So if we have a look at SUI itself on TradingView based on the daily time frame, there we can also see that it's still trending down at this moment. So if we look at this 200 EMA moving average, it probably will stay above, let's say, the $3 range, and then from there on move on further up. If we look at Market Cipher down here, we can also see the money flow starts to curve up a little bit, it seems. Down here we had several green dots, but SUI still not going up yet. But I think when we break these resistance lines, then we're going higher. So what's working in the favor of SUI? So there's a SUI base camp. It's organized in Dubai this year. It's on the 1st and 2nd of May. And the whole idea is to explain and share what all the new things SUI is preparing. So ignite innovation, force community, and create real world impact. And we can see that there are several companies that SUI is working with, some big companies: XLR, Binance, First Digital, Franklin Templeton. They bought like a 1.5 billion they invested into SUI. We got a relationship with Google, Visa, Van Eck, so some pretty big names here. Let's have a look at the trailer for SUI. So another interesting piece of news is Walrus. So Walrus is a decentralized storage network that stores and delivers raw data and media files like video, images and PDFs without sacrificing performance or accessibility. With Walrus, your data is always secure and available. So SUI is bringing utility to the chain with Walrus, so you can store your data through Walrus on the network. So they're saying it's resilient, scalable, programmable and secure. And we all know that when we have real utility on the chain, it brings more value to the chain, and SUI then also becomes more valuable. And this is like the life cycle, that you have like an end user with a client with which you interact and store your data on storage nodes. So I've created this table just to show you how much SUI you would need to become a millionaire. So for example, if SUI were to be $1, you would need 1 million SUI. That's quite a lot. But if you compare SUI with the Solana chain, Solana at this moment on average is around $200. So if SUI gets to the same market cap as Solana, maybe not this bull run, but within 4 years, then you would need 5,000 SUI. And it's also quite a lot still. But if we compare that with Ethereum had a bull run peak around $200, and then after the 4 years it went to $1,000. So let's say if you were to buy 1,000 SUI at this moment and then wait 8 years, the chance could be quite big that you become a millionaire within 8 years. So let me know down in the comments what you think about that. Investing around $3,000 at this moment could set you up to become a millionaire within 8 years. But if we look at the average which I mentioned, so if SUI were to go to $30 this bull run peak, that would mean if you have invested that $3,000, you would 10x your investment. And then by the end of this bull run peak, you would have a value of $30,000. So that would be a huge gain. Let me know what you think about this. I know a lot of people don't have this money to invest right away, don't have $3,000 to invest. But maybe if you start dollar cost averaging in, buying like maybe $300 per month, let's say within 10 months, then you would have your 1,000 SUI. And then wait 8 years and see if you can get to that 1 million. It's not financial advice, but just I know what I'm doing. I'm dollar cost averaging into SUI. And let me know down in the comments what you think about this. If you found this video informative, hit the like button, subscribe, get the vibe, and I'm out.